So you have the dresser or TV stand from Otteroasis. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing. I also have a video go in the corner so you can get a real close-up look of this dresser or TV stand so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives. But the question I was seeing is, what was the assembly time like for this dresser? Second question I was seeing is, how much weight can this hold? And the third question that I was seeing is, how do you control these lights? So let's get into that first question. What was the assembly time like? So I got this thing assembled in under an hour. It was very easy. Everything was laid out nicely and labeled for me. And they do give you all the tools, and all it is basically an Allen wrench. So I got it done in under an hour. If you have somebody helping you, I bet you can get this thing done in 30 minutes. It really is pretty simple to do. And now for the second question, which is how much weight can this hold? So all the drawers do have a thin piece of kind of like composite wood that go under there, so they can hold a decent amount of weight. They also do give you a tip kit, so if you are worried about that, you can put the tip kit into the wall so this thing is not going anywhere. Now, any clothes, stuff like that, you're going to be okay. If you are going to put like weights or heavy tools or something in there, in this, it might be a little too much for this. But any clothes, even shoes, anything like that, game controllers, stuff like that, you're going to be good to go with this. And now for the final question, how do you control these lights? So they are optional. If you don't even want them, you don't have to put them on. That's one step of the assembly process. But they do give you a remote, change the color on them, do different modes, all that kind of stuff. And they also do have an app too, which is pretty cool. So you can just scan a QR code and control it all off your smartphone. If you don't want to use a remote, that's totally up to you. But overall, this is like the perfect dresser or TV stand in your bedroom. You get a dresser on it, full charging station up top, so you don't have to worry about plugging another thing into your outlets back there. You get two full outlets, two USB ports, and there is storage all on the side too for your remote controls or whatever you want to use it for. But overall, great dresser, TV stand. Whatever you're going to use, it's going to work out great. So I give it 2 thumbs up.